Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we'll take a look at a very special cake topper for a 95th birthday. We make a lot of custom cake toppers, and sometimes the customers get to us within a couple of days before the birthday is coming up. And that was the case here with the 95th birthday cake topper. As a result, I already shipped it out, but we can still talk about the project that we did at hand. In this case here, it was MDF, and the dimensions were 12 inches by 8 inches. So it's a really sizable cake topper, which is fine because it's 95th birthday, and I'm guessing the cake is massive. While the 95th birthday cake topper was being made out of MDF, I decided, you know what, 95, that's a special number because I've never done a cake topper up to 95 so far. So what we'll do is we'll make another cake topper identical in every way. The difference is we'll make it out of a different material. We'll make it out of mirrored acrylic, and I'll paint fill the back of it. So then you have really nice contrast, something that really stands out, and it'll be a total surprise to the customer because I'm not posting this video until after the birthday. So let's take a look at that being made. And that's how we made the mirrored acrylic cake topper. So now that when the customer gets the package, they can decide which one they like. I'm pretty sure they'll go with the mirrored one. What you want to do for cake toppers is, because we make them on demand here to your spec, you want to probably give us at least a week. It's not necessarily for us to produce it in a week, it's for the shipping company. In this case here, we literally had to send it next day, about 3,000 kilometers from here. So it was pretty far away, and it cost a fortune to ship. So if you know your birthday is coming up, let's say in a week or 2 or 3, contact us then. You already know the date of your birthday. Get us to do the design, and we'll make it and we'll ship it regular post, and it'll save you a fortune. So custom cake toppers, any size, any shape, any material, any design. We're completely agnostic to any kind of approach you want for your custom cake topper. We can also make volumes. So let's say you have 5 birthdays coming up in the next 2 or 3 weeks. We can make all those in one shot, totally different designs, but make them all within the same material or a different material. It's totally up to you. So if you want a custom cake topper, contact me at CNCROI.com.